With Dibac Professional, it's very easy to set the orthogonality of the drawing functions. In this section of the Properties toolbar, I can activate or deactivate the orthogonality. Clicking on the arrow will allow me to choose between the most used angles. However, I can also type a specific angle. Let's start by selecting the 0 degrees orthogonality to draw some walls. Now I select the wall tool and I start drawing by clicking for the initial insertion and again to confirm the length. As you can see, with this orthogonality, the walls are restricted to be either horizontal or vertical. Now I'm going to change the orthogonality angle to 45 degrees. I click on the wall tool again, and as you can see, the wall is now drawn with a 45-degree angle from its insertion cross. If I move the cursor to any direction, the wall will be restricted to be 45 degrees from its respective axis. I can now click to confirm the length and orientation of the wall, and I'm going to select again the 0 degrees orthogonality to complete the external wall. I'm going to change manually the orthogonality by typing a new angle, for example 10 degrees. If I right-click with the mouse, Dibac will activate the previous function, which was the wall tool. Now the wall is drawn with 10 degrees from its respective axis. There is another method to indicate the orthogonality, which is on screen. This way, I can just click in one spot in the screen and decide the angle by clicking on a second point, for example, this side of the wall. Now the angle of the orthogonality is automatically set. And the last method to use the drawing functions is by deactivating the orthogonality. This way, I won't have any restrictions while drawing in the workspace.